My name is Mo, and in this episode, I have two wonderful guests. I have with us Gean and Kristine, who graciously accepted to join the show.
What I really want to do is don't think about the numbers. The numbers, they don't mean anything, right? What you need to understand is the rationale behind those numbers. And using myself as an example, once we see, oh, you go and you watch this video and you see like those big dividends, but we have been working for 20, 30 years. It's not the case that we are starting now. And for you, for those who are starting now, you're not going to see that right away. It's going to be dividends. And even when we started with $2, $3, but throughout the years, that's when you see the results. That's what I really wanted to let as a message, to leave as a message, that we did not start with what we have now. We've had to pay that. We've made mistakes along the way.
I think our main goal is to continue the YouTube channel. I think that's going to be our main focus, and turn it into, like, we want to travel, right? That's the whole, not the whole, but one of the main reasons why we're doing this. We want to see the world, and we want to be able to experience all these wonderful places and cultures and people. And I think the YouTube channel is going to be able to help us do that.
Let's say any of your colleagues have stumbled upon maybe your contents, like, you're publicly sharing your plans to retire at a certain age. Is that something you're comfortable talking about more publicly, even with your colleagues? Has there been any reactions that maybe you were not expecting?
Our friends know. So my colleagues are somewhat different, separated from our friend circle. So my colleagues don't know. They know that I'm retiring in 2024, and I tell them all about how we're doing it, but they don't have no idea about the YouTube channel.
Okay.
Unless maybe they do and they just haven't told me. So if you're watching,
say hi. Budgeting, Microsoft Excel, I love
it. That's true, so true. YouTube.
Fun.
Learning as we go and sharing what we have learned. So, yeah.
Taxes.
Necessary evil.
Taxes. You gotta play the game. Learn.
Yeah.
We love CRA. CRA is my first friend, the website. So keep learning as we go.
Yeah. So true. So true. Favorite movie?
The Princess Bride.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about a movie that I watched for the first time when I was in Brazil, and I fell in love, and I keep mentioning it. It's kind of cheesy, but it's Pretty Woman. So Julia Roberts, there we go. But if I can give a tip for somebody who is on your early 20s, starting now, start, soon, and don't be afraid. Don't go crazy and don't make like those penny stocks or everything. It's ETF is the way to go. Yeah. Let it grow. So
until you learn, just keep it simple. If you have a vision of what you want for your life, just keep that in the forefront, right? And just keep working at it, and you're going to succeed no matter what. It's going to be a journey, and that's the whole point, right? This isn't something that's easy and it's just going to happen overnight. You have to work for it. But if you have a goal and you have a vision of where you want to be and a time frame to do that in, I think everything's attainable.
We are very fortunate to live here in Canada and have access to everything. Sometimes we go, I go and I travel, but I go to a resort and nothing wrong with that. We also go and also do. But at the same time, really seeing the world from another perspective, from another lenses, and the difficulties that we have in Africa, in South America, even here in Canada as well, right? If you go up north, you can find that, right? So
you don't have to look too far.
No, you don't. Don't blame yourself for the mistakes that you have made in the past. We all did, right? So what you can do is basically from now on, well, we are together on this, what can we do? And it's an improvement every day. And it doesn't mean that we don't have our, conversations as well for the things that I wanted to do or she wanted to do, but we have to come to, to the same ground, which is what is in the best interest for both of us, right? So It's keep learning as we go. Even though we are on this journey right now, we are still learning every single day. We just need to be open to that, and
we're all going to get there.
We are all going to get there no matter what.
Yeah, we just wanted to let other people know that normal people, like people that have debt and everything, they can achieve this. It's possible. It's not something that's only for a select few in life.